The DJI Osmo Pocket line has earned a solid reputation among content creators for offering powerful video tools in a compact and portable form. As rumors swirl about the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, excitement continues to build around what could be the most premium and capable model in the series so far. This new device is not just another iteration. It may mark a turning point for DJI's compact camera philosophy, particularly if the rumored Hasselblad partnership materializes in a more significant way than ever before. The Pocket 4 is tipped to be the first in its series to carry Hasselblad co-branding, a move that would elevate its status to the same level as DJI's top-tier drones like the Mavic 4 Pro. DJI's decision to potentially bring Hasselblad optics or image processing to the Pocket series is seen as a major leap, especially for solo vloggers and mobile filmmakers who prioritize both quality and mobility. The Osmo Pocket 4, according to ongoing leaks, may incorporate a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, which would be a notable step up from its predecessor. A sensor of that size would allow for greater detail capture, improved dynamic range, and much better performance in low-light conditions. If true, this would make the Pocket 4 not just a travel-friendly camcorder, but a legitimate tool for serious content creators who want DSLR-like image quality in a form factor that fits in the palm of their hand. While details remain scarce about whether this sensor will be jointly developed or optimized by Hasselblad, the possibility of Hasselblad tuning alone is enough to make the Pocket 4 a headline-worthy gadget in the creator space. Another exciting potential feature is the new and larger display. The Osmo Pocket 4 may arrive with a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, boasting increased brightness and resolution. This would significantly improve framing, previewing, and navigating menus in outdoor or bright environments. The rotating mechanism also suggests more flexibility for vloggers who shoot from different angles and want a clearer view of themselves without relying on a secondary device. Combined with a redesigned user interface that borrows heavily from DJI's drone controller ecosystem, the user experience is expected to be much more refined and intuitive. Faster access to frequently used features, better menu layouts, and smoother transitions between modes could all make a big difference during high-pressure shoots or fast-paced content creation. The video specs for the Osmo Pocket 4, if they materialize as rumored, could rival those of much larger cameras. There's strong talk of 4K video at 120 frames per second and even 240 frames per second for ultra-slow motion recording. This would not only offer buttery-smooth footage, but also enable creative storytelling options for sports, action, and cinematic content. The autofocus system is expected to be faster and smarter, possibly leveraging AI to better track faces, objects, and movement across the frame. These improvements would make the camera more versatile and responsive, allowing users to concentrate more on their content rather than fiddling with settings or focusing issues. Battery performance is another area expected to see major upgrades. Where the Pocket 3 already performed decently, the Pocket 4 could extend that significantly with up to 180 to 200 minutes of continuous 4K recording. This would be a game-changer for travel vloggers or event documentarians who rely on their gear lasting through lengthy sessions without frequent recharges. Support for USB-C PD fast charging is also rumored, making it easier to top up quickly in between shoots or during travel. Combined with better heat dissipation design, the Pocket 4 should be able to handle long recording sessions without shutting down due to overheating, a common concern with compact high-resolution cameras. From a design and durability standpoint, the Osmo Pocket 4 could also bring improvements that help it stand out in the crowded field of vlogging gear. The enhanced heat management system could play a major role in prolonging the camera's lifespan and usability during intense use. This would be particularly helpful for users in warmer climates or those filming extended takes. The build quality might also get a subtle upgrade to match its more premium status, especially if it carries the Hasselblad name. Looking at the broader picture, DJI's rumored plan to deepen its relationship with Hasselblad, reportedly by increasing its ownership to 75%, may signal a long-term strategy of integrating professional-grade imaging across its consumer and prosumer product lines. The Pocket 4 could be just the beginning of a new wave of compact but high-performance cameras carrying Hasselblad DNA. This move mirrors what Leica has done with its own branding collaborations, such as with Insta360 and Huawei, bringing renowned imaging aesthetics and optical heritage to more users. The pricing of the Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to reflect its elevated specs and positioning. While the Pocket 3 is currently priced around $799.99, the Pocket 4 could see a bump that pushes it into the $900+ territory. However, for those who need top-tier video quality, advanced stabilization, and a compact design, the price might still be justifiable. DJI has already shown that there is a market for high-end handheld cameras, especially among solo creators, remote journalists, educators, and travel enthusiasts. If everything plays out as expected, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could become the gold standard for pocketable video gear. With a 1-inch sensor, improved frame rates, AI-powered autofocus, a rotating high-res display, extended battery life, fast charging, and the added prestige of Hasselblad collaboration, it is shaping up to be a compact camera that punches far above its weight. Whether it launches in late 2026 or early 2027, it has already sparked considerable buzz among creators who are hungry for gear that's both powerful and portable. And while it may not carry an ultra-high 100-megapixel sensor, the balance it promises between quality, usability, and innovation could allow it to comfortably challenge other premium action cams and even some mirrorless cameras in certain scenarios. Ultimately, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is not just about specs on paper. It's about redefining what creators can expect from a camera that slips into their pocket. If DJI follows through with these rumored features and strengthens its bond with Hasselblad, the Pocket 4 could very well become one of the most important compact cameras of its time, blurring the lines between mobile convenience and professional-grade performance. As we wait for an official announcement and detailed specifications, one thing is clear. DJI is aiming higher than ever with the Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 could be the breakthrough moment it has been building toward.